Hello everyone, in this video, I am going to show you that how to remove or delete phone number from your Facebook account quickly. So without any delay, let's get started. First of all, make sure to update your Facebook app from App Store if you are using an older version. After updating Facebook, open the app on your phone. And from here tap on Menu button. Now tap on Settings icon right here. Now click anywhere on this area of Account Center. Scroll down and tap on Personal Details option here. After that, tap on Contact Info, and here you will get all your contact details including phone number and emails, etc. Tap on your phone number and here you will get option of Delete Number. Tap on it, and here is the important note that you will no longer be able to use this number to log in, reset password, or receive notifications. After tapping on Delete, you will get an email with code for confirmation. And that's all. Subscribe to our channel to get more content like this.